Hello guys, good morning. This is Janagalo Vlog. So tayo po ngayon ay makikipagkita sa aking friend. Yes guys, ang aking friend na galing sa Pilipinas at sila po ay nagpunta dito sa Hong Kong guys. So tara, let's go! Tara muna sa my Sheraton guys kasi nga dyan po yung kanilang hotel na pag-i-stayan guys. So come on, let's go guys! Ang Sheraton Hotel guys ay mayroon silang shuttle bus from airport going to their hotel and then hotel to MTR station dito sa may Tung Chung station guys. So napakalapit po ito sa airport at saka sa Tung Chung station guys. So kung sa Tung Chung station mag-exit lang po kayo sa may exit B going to their hotel guys. So nandun po yung kanilang shuttle bus na naka-line up. So come on, let's go. Tara na at pumunta dito sa my Sheraton Hotel. Thank you. Bye-bye. Ito na.
Nagbi-video ka ba?
Oo. Oh. Sige. Ayusin mo yung pananalita mo.
Allah! Huwag ka mag-video kasi YouTube yan eh. Yan po.
Ano bang meron?
Now we have to get on.
Come on, let's go.
We got much time. Maybe tomorrow do something and Tuesday.
Saan ba ang kwan nyo ngayon?
Wala, pahinga. Sa'yo. Sa'yo yung time namin yan.
Ano daw?
Sa'yo. Sa'yo yung time namin yan.
Oh, the influence.
Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go tuloy. Sheraton, Hong Kong, Tung Chung Style. Pumunta mo tayo doon.
Ako din, mag-clips din.
Mag-clips ka ah.
We are influencer.
Wow. Pag sure oy.
I'm sure I'm influencer. Joke lang.
Sabay bawi.
Share ako.
So, ayan guys. So, nagyaya yung dalawang mag-asawa na kami ay kumain daw muna bago kami lumarga sa aming destination guys. So, ayan guys. Order muna ng pagkain. So, nag-order po ako ng pizza. Tomato. Pork. Yes guys. So, masarap po yan guys. Rice guys para tayo po ay may lakas later. So ayan na yung aming order. So ayan guys, so masarap po yan. Tara, kain na po tayo. So, ayan guys, after namin kumain, so dinala ko sila dito sa may Diamond Hill, dito sa may Nanlian Garden. So, come on, let's go! Samahan po natin silang i-explore tong lugar na ito guys. So, come on! Let's go! Pagod.
Looking from the outside, the pagoda is a 7-story, double-eaved square pagoda. Inside, there are 5 stories.
Yeah. Can you imagine the Spanish, how terrible the bastards they were, but the ships they built in the Philippines 500 years ago, when they built all the galleon ships, and they decimated one species of tree completely in Bagtao Island, by Masbate. Or not Masbate, by Magallanes. Bagtao Island right at the mouth of the Sorsogon Bay. Bagtao Island is where the big Asiero, they called it, a Spanish shipyard, where they built the big galleons that sailed all across to Europe.
Should be your information is right. You will be the YouTube.
Yes, I do. Oh, is your videoing me?
Zero is watching that.
What does American know about Hawaii?
Let's go here. So, ayan guys, after po namin dun sa may Nanlian Garden na maglibot-libot, so napagod na, hapon na pati. So, we decided na kami ay umuwi na. So, nandito na po ako sa may Prince Edward kasi dito po ang aking uwian guys. Umuwi na po sa Kuntong MTR station kasi nandun po yung shuttle bus ng Sheraton Hotel guys sa may exit B. Yes guys, exit B. Doon niyo po matatagpuan ang shuttle bus ng Sheraton Hotel. So, tara, let's go! Uwian na! So, ayan guys, bili muna ako ng tinapay. Favorite ko tong tinapay na to guys. Ito na. Ayaw? Ha? Here or here? Okay. Thank you. So, ayan guys, hanggang dito na lang ang aking vlog. This is your Uncle Vlog at laging nagsasabi tayo laging mag-iingat sa ating paggala. Bye bye, God bless everyone. Bye!